Okay, guys, so just find Postman. So it's a Postman. So what is a Postman? As you can see, Postman is an Indian origin global software company that offers an API platform for developers to design, build, test, and also collaborate on APIs. Over 30 million registered user and also okay, fine. Just click on the download Postman or just click on the official website. Both are the same thing. AI is powered by APIs. APIs are powered by the Postman. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, fine. So this is the fact. It's true. I agree with this one. Just click on the download button. Here, as you can see, Windows 64-bit, since I have Windows 11 installed in my PC and I have the gaming machine, i5. So that's why click on this one. Once you download, it takes time according to your internet speed. I have downloaded 147 MB. Just click this one to open the software. Make sure you have to select according to your operating system. If you are using the Mac, click this one. If you are working with the Linux, just click this one. I have downloaded the Windows version. Fine. So this is the Postman. We're gonna install this Postman. Okay. Continue with Google single sign-on SOS. Fine. Enter your work email. If you have not created the account, just click on the create free account. If you have already have the account, just click on the login to create the account. You can also log in with the Gmail. So Postman, here as you can see, if you have already created the account, just click on the login button. If you click on the login with Google, just click on the email address. So I'm going to log in with my account. Fine. I'm saying open Postman. So this is Postman and it's going to open. I'm saying allow. You can test the APIs, you can share the APIs. So as you can see, invite the persons. You can perform a lot of tasks with this particular bad boy. So in this way, you can install the Postman.